From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for March 9th, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro versus the US dollar. But first, a recap of a couple of the trades we've been watching for the past few days. Taking a look at the AUD-USD down here at the very bottom of the chart, you can see the trade going from 7,600. If I switch over to that chart real quick, you can see we're sitting right on top of the 100 period simple moving average on the daily chart. One of two things is going to happen here. Either it's going to find some support and start rallying back higher, or break through this green shaded area in the 100 period moving average and go lower from here. That's what I'm anticipating in the direction of the current momentum, the current trend. And with the US dollar taking a nice surge yesterday on ADP non-farm and tomorrow's non-farm payrolls jobs data coming out of the US, I'm going to look for the breakdown of that 100 period moving average, the green shaded area, for possible add-ons to the current position or profit taking as it pressures lower down towards the orange zone. We're already protecting profit. We can't lose on the trade that we're currently sitting with 80 pips of profit, but definitely watching for the breakdown of that 100 period moving average with the positive news we've had out of the US so far this week. Taking a look at the GBP USD, Great British Pound US dollar again, we're in the short here on this currency pair. We've protected profit, closed some profit, currently sitting about 30 pips of profit on the trade. We've had a good deal more. Take a look at the blue shaded area. Back here where the black circle is, you can see support there. That's where we're currently finding support. If we're going to continue the downtrend, let's zoom it in one more time. If we're going to continue this downtrend, what's the imperative? The imperative is it breaks through this blue shaded area, which obviously at the current moment hasn't done yet. So we need it to break through there if we're going to see it go lower. I still think it's a short opportunity, even on a rally back into the purple shaded area, and then of course the breakdown of the blue zone for the GBP USD. Back to the euro dollar. Just a few minutes ago, we had some interest rate news for the ECB. Rates are left unchanged from the ECB, and the potential is for continued the quantitative easing program. We'll have to wait and see what the ECB press conference has to say in just about 30 minutes from the recording of this video. But if that continues as is, I'm going to be looking to go short on the euro dollar. Interest rates as is or lower, and continued quantitative easing is not really that great for the euro. So I'm going to be looking for opportunities to go short into resistance, the yellow zone, the pink zone, breakdown of the purple zone, orange zone, and the continuation lower. Again, with positive news we've had with ADP for the US, that gives me some bearish expectation here again as well for the euro dollar. So for the day today, we're looking for resistance. If you look at this black box on the right hand side, you see the pink, yellow, purple, and orange zones. We've seen resistance and support at these levels before. Just zoom in one more time, and you can see back here the congestion resistance here before, tagging on into the pink zone before making the new low. I don't know if we're going to see it hit that pink zone again. I think we're going to see it hit the yellow zone and turn lower again. We'll have to again see what the ECB has to say at the press conference, but I think a breakdown of the purple zone, we're into the orange zone, and of course through the orange zone we look for much lower for the euro dollar, and even down into the 1.0400 level would be a possibility. So that's what I'm looking for. Again, we started talking about this during the trade room yesterday. I took the pending order off yesterday evening before closing out trading because of course the potential of risk today, but I think I'm still happy with it. I've put the pending order back on 105.65 just at the bottom of the yellow zone. Let's see if it bumps its head into there before the ECB press conference. Going through the purple shaded area, of course, would be your next opportunity to go short. Take it down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, if the ECB has something different to say than what we anticipate now with no change of the interest rates and the possibility of continued quantitative easing, if they have something different to say, we could look for the breakout above this yellow zone. So use appropriate risk strategies. If you decide to go short here prior to the ECB press conference, then use appropriate risk strategies. Stop loss should be above the yellow zone in case it breaks above and heads back up to the pink shaded areas. Nothing new that we didn't talk about during the trade room yesterday. And of course, if it doesn't touch the yellows again and just breaks on through the purple zone, that's your next opportunity to go short on the euro dollar.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.